Hi, I'm Dora. I'm 5. Right in the tree. That's my friend, Boots the monkey. Boo! Wow, a pirate parrot. Fuck. Fuck. It's the pirate parrot. We need a boat.